tardes, tutor y compañeros. Mi nombre es Manuel Colmenares, soy estudiante de la Universidad Abierta y a Distancia UNAL. El día de hoy voy a dar solución a las preguntas problematizadoras en inglés. How do you teach inferential static continuity to your professional future? Inferential statistics continues to use in their future as a profession, since it allows us to make good decisions, as well as making predictions that are based on respective samples. Most popular intent of measures as the elements of the population. For us future industrial engineering, the static inference would be a key piece in our life as professionals. How do you think a professional in your career contributes to the community and social environment? And industrial engineering contribute to the community and the social environment by amplifying exist and talking to improve the infrastructure in way which allow the increase in wealth and a better standard of living for the population. Thank you.